so delicious. Go ahead and try. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a peach strawberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, as is customary, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Don't forget to tell me what it is you want me to see me make, which other smoothie you want me to make for you. Okay, thank you so much for sharing, thank you so much for liking. Okay guys, so let's get right into this video. Remember to follow me on all social at Anbooth. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So I have some strawberry, some frozen peach, chia and flaxseed. I have a yogurt and I have milk. So I think I have a banana, yeah, and I have a banana. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. So I'm gonna add the fruits already washed, guys. So I'm gonna just don't understand. Just buy the strawberry this week and it starts spoiled already, guys. You don't understand. Strawberry peach smoothie. Peach is cold, guys. So are you seeing this? It's frozen, so that's gonna be like the ice. Some chia seeds and some flaxseed. Yogurt. This is the yogurt, guys. And it's pineapple. I'm gonna add some milk. So guys, remember you can use whatever you want to blend it as juice. You don't have to use milk. Okay. So I'm gonna blend it out. And there you have it, guys, all done. My peach strawberry smoothie or strawberry peach smoothie, all done. Look at it. Gonna glass this now. Look at the beautiful color. The beautiful strawberry peach color. Oops. so tasty. So tasty, guys. So tasty. Okay, so go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. So tasty. So delicate, so nice, so smooth. Yeah, so tasty. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay, guys, remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.